Hello, neu fel rydyn ni'n dweud yng Nghymru, you can't spell Wales without swale, which is a low tract of land, especially one that is moist or marshy. Rhywbeth allech drysu wrth i chi ddysgu iaith newydd yw'r geiriau sy'n swnio'n union yr un fath, ond sydd ag ystyron wahanol. Homoffonau, homophones, words that sound exactly the same but have different meanings. Dyma rai i chi. Llaeth gyda e, milk. Llaeth gyda e dot, moist. As you know, milk is moist, at least you'd hope so, but not everything that's moist is milk. Mae llaeth yn llaeth, ond nid yw popeth sy'n llaeth yn laeth. The milkman is dyn llaeth, but dyn llaeth means a moist man. Gwaith gyda e dot, work. Gwaith gyda e, worse. Work was better when it wasn't so hard. My current job is worse than the worst work. Roedd gwaith yn well pan doedd e ddim mor galed. Mae fy ngwaith bresennol yn waith na'r gwaith gweithaf. When the milkman went to Egypt, he was moist, sweating he was. He went for pleasure, not work. It was hot in Egypt, and the work was worse than at home. That was the short story of the moist milkman and his worst work in Egypt. Pan aeth yr un llaeth i'r aifft, roedd e'n llaeth. Aeth am pleser, nid gwaith. Roedd e'n boeth yn yr aifft, ac roedd y gwaith yn waith na'i waith gartref. Dyna oedd stori fer y dyn llaeth llaeth a'i waith gweithaf yn yr aifft. I wrote that knowing how difficult it would be to say, so I hope you appreciate the effort I put in. It was hard work. It's maybe my worst work. Tedious work. But now I'm going to drink some moist milk for nourishment. Neu yn y Gymraeg. Roedd e'n waith caled, efallai fy ngwaith gweithaf. Gwaith maith. Ond nawr, dwi am yfed llaeth llaeth i gael maith. Na i stopio.
We're shocked!